Hello friends, welcome to Code Meta Full Forum videos. In this video, we will talk about PFA Full Forum. What is the meaning of PFA or Full Forum? PFA meanings please find attachment. This PFA word mostly used with email or some other places where you want to share some file, document, videos, picture like things to someone other by attaching. PFA you can also use on WhatsApp or chat system where you are writing something and say see attached PFA attached or PFA, then you can share the file. So you can add short name on chat. Mostly chat systems use the such words. If you are talking about journal things or mailing someone, then you don't use PFA. You have to write full please find attachment, because if someone don't know about it, they will took different meaning for that. So make sure you are using PFA on right place. Now if we talk about other full form of PFA, these are full form of PFAs: picture for attention, physical fitness assessment, specific film archive, property for all, people for animals, public financing authority. Like these full form, you can you can pause the video and note it down on into your copy, or read one by one for your GK competition exam or other competition exams. These are other full form of PFAs. Is the second part of PFA. Last we see these full forms. Next is these. You can hold the screen or pause the videos to note it down. Thank you for watching videos. Subscribe the Code Meta channel by clicking subscribe button to get more videos on full forum. We also provide more videos on different topic that will give you more knowledge for your competition exam or your career growth. So click on subscribe to subscribe the Code Meta. See you in next video.